Hello friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Bopperai Engineers. Our today's topic is PLC wiring. In this video we discuss about terminals detail and wiring of Siemens S7-200 PLC. First we discuss about its terminal details. It is the block diagram of Siemens S7-200 PLC. It have 14 digital input and 10 digital output. Its input is operated on 24-volt DC. But its output type is depend on model. Always check it carefully. This model have transistor output. Some PLC are also available in relay output. Auxiliary supply of this PLC is 24-volt DC, it also depend on model. In last, a DC/DC/DC or AC/DC/relay is also mentioned on S7-200 PLC. First DC represent that auxiliary supply of PLC is 24-volt DC. Second DC represent that PLC input operated on DC supply. Last third DC represent that its output supply is transistor DC. Suppose if AC/DC/relay is written on PLC. It means that its auxiliary supply is 220-volt AC, its input is operated on 24-volt DC. And its output have relay circuit. M and L plus terminal in input side is used for button and sensor supply. One M, 1L plus, 2M, 2L plus. Terminal in output side is used for PLC inbuilt transistor supply. Next move to its input-output wiring. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest technical updates. PLC input wiring. Four-channel relay card. We use relay cards with both digital input and output, because the relay card isolate the PLC from field wires. PLC input terminal. 24-volt DC source. First connect negative 24-volt DC with relay card coil negative supply. After that connect wire as per your requirement. In this video we connect start button with input I0. Stop button with input I1. Limit switch with I2. And proximity sensor with I3. Connect push button, limit switch and sensor in series with relay card coil. Function of series connection in control panel wiring video is also available on my YouTube channel. First connect 24-volt DC positive direct with push button, limit switch and sensor. After that make a connection with relay coil. Brown wire of sensor is positive, blue is negative, and black is its feedback. Detailed video of NPN and PNP sensor is also available on my YouTube channel. Now connect M terminal with 1M and 2M. After that, connect common of all relay with L+. In last, make a connection between relay card NO and PLC input card according to input list. PLC input wiring is complete. Always read PLC terminal name carefully. Next, move to PLC output card wiring. PLC output wiring. Relay card for PLC digital output. PLC output terminal. There are two types of transistor output available in PLC. First is NPN and second is PNP. Always check it carefully. This model have PNP transistor output. 24-volt DC source. Let's start its wiring. First, connect positive 24-volt DC with L+, 1 L+, and 2 L+. After that, connect negative with M, 1M and 2M terminal. Output of this PLC is positive. So, connect negative direct with relay card coil. In last, connect PLC output with relay as per your output list. Now we use relay common, NO and NC terminal as per our requirement. For example, we connect output 0 with contactor, 1 with timer, and 2 with indicator. First, connect neutral direct with load, and phase with common of all relay. After that, make a connection between relay NO point and load. Video related to Delta PLC is also available on my YouTube channel. And Schneider M341 PLC is coming soon. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for latest technical updates.